The economic activity are divided into three sectors: primary, secondary, tertiary, on the basis of the nature of economic activity. Economic activity, though are grouped into three different categories, are highly interdependent. What are the main components of basic social infrastructure of an economy? Education, health, civil amenities. Which of following is a characteristic of human wants in terms of economic want are satiable? The modern economy is not characterized by self-sufficient village system. An economy is a proposition. Externality theory is the basic theory of the following branch of economy: environnomic. Red tape is in a economic referred to rigid conformity to formal rules. During the British era, Indian economy was now a source for its raw material. Uninterrupted income can be considered to be a part of parallel economy, an economy in which there are no flow of labor, good or money to and from other nations. Closed economy, in which economic system the government decide what goods are to be produced in accordance with the need of society. Socialist. Planned economy in India is based on which system? Socialist system. Which of the following system is correct regarding the socialist society? In the economy, the government decide what good are to be produced. Distribution of good under socialism is supposed to be based on what people need. An economic system in which capital goods are owned by private individual or business, and the production of good and service are based on supply and demand in general market capitalist economy. In capitalist economy, the price are determined by by demand and supply. The main feature of capitalist economy is private ownership, which is not a feature of capitalist economic service motive. Private ownership of means of production is a feature of capitalist economy, which with which form of economy in terms of laissez-faire associate. Capitalist economic price mechanism is a feature of capitalist economy. A plan of economic development for India, which was prepared by cross section of India leading capitalist in 1944, was popularly known as Bombay Plan. The mixed economy denotes existence of both private